And everyone is safe. But Trey, with these warming temperatures, that's why we're seeing some ice melting and can create some hazards for us.
That's right. This morning, there are a couple patches of ice out there with temperatures that are below freezing. Won't be an issue for long, but do watch for some of that with the melting snow out there. Currently 30 degrees under mostly clear skies and a west wind at around 8 miles per hour this morning. We're sitting at 31 in Perry, 28 in Boone, 24 in Marshalltown. Some of the cooler temperatures are concentrated up to the north this morning where there's a little bit more of a snowpack on the ground, but we've been eroding that snowpack here, especially south of I-80 where temperatures really spiked yesterday. Winds are out of the west at around 5 to 15 miles per hour this morning. They'll become a little bit more brisk this afternoon, generally out of the northwest here, and that will help to transport in some slightly cooler air. Yesterday we made it up to 48. Today we'll only make it up to 41, but still a day of mostly sunny skies anticipated. We can't rule out maybe a few clouds in there as we get into the afternoon hours. This is that weak front we're watching pushing through the state this morning. It will drop temperatures a couple of degrees today. Now, much more potent system moves in tomorrow. It's currently out on the west coast. Now, the thing with this system, it is a pretty strong system, but it doesn't have much moisture to work with. So we're only going to be able to squeeze out some drizzle and maybe some light rainfall with this upcoming system. Today, again, no issues. High pressure moves overhead tonight and into the day tomorrow. That switches our winds to the southeast. So ahead of that system on Monday, expect the winds to be fairly gusty with clouds increasing. And then as the front approaches during the late afternoon and evening hours, we'll see a few widely scattered showers and areas of drizzle develop with that as that front pushes off to the east. We'll make it up to 50, so another day above average here across the state. You can see those winds really gusting out tomorrow out of the southeast at around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Some of those gusts could actually reach 30 miles per hour in spots, but ultimately those winds will settle down once the front passes through tomorrow night and into Tuesday morning. Tuesday looks to be another decent day, a little bit cooler behind that front, up to 42 degrees under mostly sunny skies. And then our attention turns to a second system here for the middle part of this week. It'll ride up the mid-Mississippi River Valley, bringing a chance of widespread rain Wednesday night and Thursday. And there is limited cold air with this system, but it may be strong enough to basically change over our rain to snow Wednesday night and Thursday morning. It's too early to get into specifics on accumulation, but it is something that we'll watch here as the week progresses. Here's your 8-day forecast. Again, we have above average temperatures here Sunday through Wednesday, high temperatures in the 40s to near 50. That chance for a little bit of drizzle and light rain tomorrow evening, but better chances for rain mixing with snow Wednesday night and Thursday before temperatures turn more seasonable by the end of the week.